B-complex vitamins. At present, 12 types of vitamins necessary for humans have been identified. Among them, vitamins A, D, E, and K are fat-soluble, while vitamin B complex and vitamin C are water-soluble. Let us briefly learn about B-complex vitamins. There are 7 main B-complex vitamins. Vitamin B1, thiamine. The chemical name of vitamin B1 is thiamine. It helps in the metabolism of carbohydrates. Deficiency symptoms: beriberi disease, weakness, loss of appetite. Food sources: peanuts, bran, soya beans, eggs, parboiled rice. Vitamin B2, riboflavin. Vitamin B2 is called riboflavin. It is also known as the yellow vitamin. The pale yellow color of cow's milk is due to this vitamin. Deficiency symptoms: cracks at the corners of the mouth, small sores in the mouth. Food sources: almonds, coconut, barley, bran, finger millet, ragi, papaya, cashew apple, milk, eggs. Vitamin B3, niacin. The chemical name of vitamin B3 is niacin or nicotinic acid. It is also known as the anti-pellagra vitamin. Deficiency symptoms: pellagra, skin becomes rough, scaly, and peels off. Diarrhea, dermatitis. Food sources: yeast, liver, peas, radish. Vitamin B6, pyridoxine. Another B-complex vitamin is pyridoxine, also called the anti-anemia vitamin. Functions: helps in the production of antibodies, participates in hemoglobin formation. Deficiency symptoms: pimples, skin diseases, anemia. Food sources: wheat, soya beans, liver, parboiled rice, milk, meat. Vitamin B7, biotin. The chemical name of vitamin B7 is biotin. It is also called vitamin H. Deficiency symptoms: muscle pain, increased cholesterol in blood, loss of appetite, peeling of skin layers. Food sources: pulses, nuts, fish, soya beans, tomatoes, milk, meat. Vitamin B9, folic acid. Vitamin B9 is known as folic acid and is also called vitamin M. Deficiency symptoms: reduced production of red blood cells, RBCs, leading to anemia. Mental disorders, epilepsy, leukopenia, low white blood cells. Food sources: liver, eggs, maize, wheat, sprouted grains. Vitamin B12, cyanocobalamin. The chemical name of vitamin B12 is cyanocobalamin. Deficiency symptoms: pernicious anemia, decrease in hemoglobin percentage, degeneration of the spinal cord. Food sources: liver, bacteria such as E. coli. Additional note: B-complex vitamins were numbered according to the order in which they were discovered. Although vitamin B4 and vitamin B8 were initially considered vitamins, they were later removed from the B-complex group because the human body can produce them on its own.